After watching this video, you will know how to do automatic table calculations in Word. I prepared a table with numbers here, and in the fourth column we are going to implement a mathematical function. So we click into the first cell of the fourth column, go to the Layout tab, and then click on the button called Formula. As you can see, Word will suggest a default formula for the summation of specific cells. The structure of the formulas is always the same. At the beginning we have the equal sign. With this sign we tell Word that we want something to be calculated. Then we have the name of the function. This name tells Word what kind of calculation should be performed. So if we want to sum up specific cells, then we choose the sum function. If we want to multiply specific cells, then we remove the sum function and choose the product function. As you can see, there are a lot of functions offered by Word, and if you want an explanation for these functions, simply open the browser, go to google.com and type in Word table function. When we open the site support.office.com, we will find explanations for all of these functions. But let's go back to Word again. We already inserted a new function, and this function came with a set of parentheses. Inside these parentheses we have to declare which cells should be multiplied. So if we want all cells to the left of the current cell to be multiplied, then we simply write left inside the parentheses. Other keywords would be right, below, and above. But with these keywords we cannot target single cells, because the keyword left would automatically include all 3 cells to the left of the current cell. If we want to target single cells, we have to know about the cell labels. A cell label always contains a character and a number. The character represents the column and the number represents the row. So if we want to target the third cell in the second row, we need to type C2 inside the parentheses, and to target the first cell in the second row, we type in A2. The cell labels of course need to be separated, and therefore we insert a semicolon between the labels. When we now click on OK, the cell will contain the product of the 2 selected cells. But what if we update one of the selected cells? As you can see, the cell with the formula did not update automatically. To update the field, we need to right-click on the number and select Update Field. Now you know how to do table calculations in Word. Watch the other videos to learn more about tables.